Voila!
Hey y'all, how's everyone doing today? Ever find yourself at a party or gathering wishing you could make folks laugh and feel instantly connected with you? Well, you're in luck. Today we're diving into the art of humor and connection. Today, I'm going to teach you the secrets to becoming the life of the party and making people laugh like there's no tomorrow. Trust me, it's easier than you think. All right, first things first. Humor is all about timing. It's like a dance. You got to know when to step in and when to hold back. You got to know when to drop that punchline. It's the difference between a chuckle and a full-blown laugh. Think of it like fishing. You don't want to reel in too soon or too late. Timing is everything, so keep your ears open, catch the vibe, and then bam, hit them with the funny. It's all about feeling the moment. Now let's talk about self-deprecating humor. This is a powerful tool in your humor arsenal. People love it when you can laugh at yourself. It makes you seem more human and approachable. It shows you're humble and relatable. No one likes a person who takes themselves too seriously. Like, if I trip over my own feet, instead of getting embarrassed, I'll go, well, that's one way to keep my shoelaces clean. It's all about turning a potentially awkward moment into a shared laugh, instant laughs, and everyone feels more at ease. Next up, relatable humor. This is where you really connect with your audience. Find common ground with your audience. Talk about things that everyone experiences on a daily basis. Talk about stuff everyone experiences, like those little everyday annoyances or funny moments. Ever had a moment when you forget why you walked into a room? It's a universal experience. Happens to me all the time. And I bet it happens to you too. I'll be like, well, I guess I'll just stand here and look confused. It's a simple way to get everyone laughing. People love that because it's something they can nod along to. Remember, it's all about shared experiences. Now don't forget to use body language. This is a crucial part of delivering humor. It's not just about what you say, it's how you say it. Your body language can amplify your words. Use your hands, make faces, get animated. The more expressive you are, the funnier you'll be. If you're telling a story about slipping on a banana peel, act it out. The physical comedy adds an extra layer of humor. The more you get into it, the more folks will laugh and connect with you. It's all about bringing your stories to life. Another tip, be a good listener. This is just as important as being funny. If someone else is telling a story, listen and respond with a joke or a funny comment. It shows you're engaged and interested. It shows you're engaged and invested in what they're saying. Plus, it makes the conversation more dynamic. And who doesn't love a good audience? Being a good listener makes you a better conversationalist. Plus, it gives you more material to work with. And lastly, practice. This is key to getting better. Like anything else, getting good at making people laugh takes practice. The more you do it, the better you'll get. Try out jokes with friends, family, even your dog. It's all about finding your rhythm. Get a feel for what works and what doesn't. Pay attention to people's reactions. And remember, not every joke will land, and that's okay. It's all part of the learning process. Keep at it, and you'll get better. The more you practice, the more natural it will become. So there you have it. With these tips, you'll be the life of the party in no time. Along with these tips, just plan to have fun and enjoy life. And keep this in mind. Be yourself and have fun being you. Remember, it's all about timing, relatability, self-deprecation, body language, listening, and practice. These are your keys to success. Now go out there and make them laugh. You've got all the tools you need. And if all else fails, just tell them you learned it from a guy on YouTube. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next time. Keep smiling and spreading joy.
Voila!